Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment which is based on using strings in Java. As part of this assignment, you need to write a Java program to find the size of a string. So here are the instructions for this Java program for you to write. The first one is you just need to create a string either in a shortcut representation way or in a object creation way, whatever the way you want. You just create a string with the help of the string class. Once you created the string, you need to find the size of the string. Okay, with whatever the knowledge I have shared in the previous sessions. Okay, using that you need to find the size of the string, and after that you need to print that size of that string in the output. That's what you need to solve. It is a simple program for solving as part of this assignment. Now you can pause this video and write the Java program for this problem as part of this assignment. Hoping that you have written this Java program. Now you can resume this video so that I am going to demonstrate this Java program for you so that you can cross check your Java program with mine, and if we both are on the same page, we are good to go. Okay, you are good to go. So for that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here, I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class with some random name. You can give any name with the main method. And inside this main method, I'm going to write the code for solving this assignment, okay, where I need to find the size of the string. First, I prefer creating the string in shortcut representation way, guys. String str is equal to, I'll just give my name here, otherwise, like this, okay. So this is an string I have given. Okay. If you want to give a different string, you can give, not a problem. Okay. Here you can change the string. For example, core Java is given here. Okay. Core Java. Now, like this, you can create a string, or you can also create a string like this. Okay. Like this, and you can create a string like this. There are two ways. Using the string class, if you want to create the string, either you can use a shortcut. Shortcut is the most used one. So I'm going with the shortcut representation in this assignment. Okay. For this assignment. So like this, I created a string, guys, okay? Or I can give a different thing. Let's say core Java, let's give. That's better. Now let's find the size of the string. How to find the size of the string? Using the object reference of the string class, I need to call a predefined method of the string class, okay? Using the object reference of the string class, I need to call a predefined method of the string class, that is length predefined method. And this length predefined method is going to return you the size of string in integer format. So int size of string is equal to, or simply size is equal to, you can give whatever the variable name that you want. Now print it out. Okay, print it out. Str size of, size of, or otherwise you print like this, size of str, that is size of string plus str is size of string, str is plus, okay, here plus this particular size I am printing. Okay. So like this, if you want to print in a proper manner, you can print like this. That's okay. Or else you can directly print it also. Just print the size. That's also fine. Run this, right click, run as Java application, and we should get the size in the output. I've run the code and we got the output here. The size of the string core Java is 9. Let's find out, is this correctly working? This program is really working or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, including space, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfectly true, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, this program is perfectly working fine. Using the length predefined method of the string class, we can find the size of any string. Okay. So if you have written the same program, then you are good to go, guys. Okay. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.